Hello everybody. Today we'll see a summary of Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights. Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights is an 1847 novel. She published it under the pseudonym Ellis Bell. The genre of the novel is Gothic. It's a tragedy. So we'll go into the summary. The characters and the names are a little confusing. So we'll make it as simple as possible. Okay. So we'll go into the summary, and to make things easier, let me tell you one thing first. Wuthering Heights and Thrushcross Grange are two palatial houses. The story revolves around these two families. Okay, in the present situation, as the novel begins, Thrushcross Grange is rented by Lockwood. And now, in what is happening in Wuthering Heights? In Wuthering Heights, there lives Heathcliff, his daughter-in-law, and his nephew. Okay. Lockwood, the new tenant of Thrushcross Grange, comes to Wuthering Heights to spend one night there. So that is the current situation. Now from there, he gets a 25-year, from Wuthering Heights, he gets a 25-year-old diary of Catherine Earnshaw. The diary portrays her love for Heathcliff. In the night, Heathcliff is seen talking to the dead Catherine. So, Gothic elements are there in this work. His conversation reveals his intimacy and passion to her. Meanwhile, the next morning, Lockwood's servants are happy that Lockwood is back in Thrushcross Grange because Wuthering Heights is said to be a haunted house, and so they are happy that their boss is back without any problems. Okay, so everybody knows that there are some issues with this particular house. Now Lockwood gets to know the story of Heathcliff and Wuthering Heights from Nellie. The Earnshaw families, so now the story begins. The Earnshaw families had two kids, namely Catherine and Hindley. Heathcliff's family, Heathcliff was the family's adopted son. So the Earnshaw family had three children, two of their original children, and one was adopted child. Okay. Their own kids were named Catherine and Hindley, and their adopted son was named Heathcliff. Okay. Hindley, the brother of Catherine, goes for his higher studies. So then things become easier for Catherine and Heathcliff, and they get closer. Mr. Earnshaw dies, and Hindley comes for the funeral. After his studies, he comes there with his newly wed wife Frances. So now Hindley is married to Frances. Hindley doesn't like Heathcliff, so he asks him to give up his education. Okay, the education is denied to Heathcliff by Hindley. Okay. During this time, Thrushcross Grange was rented by Edgar Linton and his sister Isabella Linton. New characters come in the picture. So till now we have seen Catherine, Hindley and Mr. Earnshaw, who has already passed away. Catherine Earnshaw and Heathcliff in Wuthering Heights, and Thrushcross Grange has new people coming in, that is Edgar Linton and his sister Isabella Linton. Okay. Now Linton questions Hindley on the relationship of Heathcliff and Catherine, and Hindley asks Catherine never to meet Heathcliff again. So Linton has an eye on Catherine, and so he asks Hindley to stop Catherine and Heathcliff's friendship or relation, and so Hindley asks his sister Catherine not to meet Heathcliff again. Okay. Now meanwhile, some tragic instances occur in Hindley's life. His wife Frances gives birth to a boy child named Hareton Earnshaw, and Frances dies after giving birth to the child. Okay, Hindley is totally overcome by despair. He's very sad and he becomes alcoholic. Heathcliff gets disturbed on the growing intimacy of Catherine and Edgar Linton. Now, Catherine and Linton share a healthier relation, so Heathcliff is disturbed at the same. She tells Heathcliff that she is in love with Edgar Linton and she cannot marry Heathcliff because that would be degrading herself. Okay, so things are clearer now. Catherine and her brother's name is Hindley. Uh, Heathcliff is her father's adopted son. She had an intimacy or a friendship with Heathcliff, but since Hindley stopped this relation, uh, Catherine falls in love with Edgar Linton, and so she tells Heathcliff that she cannot marry Heathcliff because he is from a lower grade and it will be equal to degrading herself if she marries him. So she falls in love with Edgar Linton. Okay. Now, in the meantime, Hindley lost his wife Frances and he is left with his only son Hareton Earnshaw. Okay, so that is the current situation. Now we are moving ahead again. Heathcliff is devastated by her words. Whose words? Catherine's words, that she cannot marry him because that would be degrading or demeaning herself, and so he leaves Wuthering Heights. He returns to Wuthering Heights after becoming rich. Catherine is excited at his return while Linton is irritated with the same. Okay. Linton's sister Isabella Linton. Okay, Edgar Linton's sister Isabella Linton develops a liking for Heathcliff. Edgar Linton warns Isabella against this, but she is adamant on marrying Heathcliff and she elopes with Heathcliff. So, Heathcliff actually loved Catherine, but he now marries Catherine's husband, Edgar Linton's sister, Isabella. Okay. Now, Catherine becomes pregnant. She carries Edgar Linton's kid in her stomach. Heathcliff and Isabella doesn't share a healthy relation. Heathcliff is on a revenge mode and he wants to take revenge against Edgar Linton for marrying Catherine, and that is why he married his sister Isabella. Okay, Heathcliff is using his relation with his wife, that is Isabella Linton, to take revenge on Edgar Linton. Meanwhile, Hindley, who is Hindley? Hindley is Catherine's brother. Okay, Hindley Earnshaw. Hindley plans to kill Heathcliff for his wealth. Edgar Linton sees Catherine and Heathcliff together again and he is angry at the same. Now, as Heathcliff returned as a rich man, now Catherine has a liking for him also. Okay, so they meet up and Linton, Edgar Linton comes to know of this and he is angry at the same. Catherine gives birth to a baby girl named Kathy and Catherine dies. Okay. Now our heroine is no more. Heathcliff is tormented by the death of Catherine. Isabella, who is Isabella? Isabella Linton is Heathcliff's wife, sister of Edgar Linton. Okay. Isabella gives birth to her child and she dies when the child is 12 years old. Now Hindley, Catherine's brother, is in huge debt to Heathcliff. Hindley dies and Heathcliff now owns Wuthering Heights. Edgar is very strict. Edgar Linton is very strict with his daughter Kathy, who is now a beautiful girl of 13. He restricts her from going out. And even though there are restrictions, one day Kathy meets Hareton. Who is Kathy? Kathy is the daughter of Edgar Linton and Catherine, and Hareton is the son of Hindley and his wife Frances. Okay. Linton brought to Thrushcross Grange. Now, Linton, who is Linton? Linton is the son of Heathcliff and his wife Isabella. So, Linton is brought to Thrushcross Grange, but Nellie takes him back to Wuthering Heights and he cries like his father is tormenting him and he wants to come back to Thrushcross Grange, but Nellie tells that he should remain there and puts him back there in Wuthering Heights. Kathy is attracted to Linton. Kathy is Catherine's daughter and Linton is Heathcliff's son. Okay. And Edgar asks Kathy not to visit Wuthering Heights but gives permission to Linton to visit Thrushcross Grange. Okay. Linton can visit Thrushcross Grange, that is, Heathcliff's son Linton can visit Thrushcross Grange, but Edgar's and Catherine's daughter Kathy is not allowed to visit Wuthering Heights. Okay. At last, Edgar gives permission. He gives up all ideas of revenge. He is very weak. He is in his deathbed. For his daughter's sake, he gives permission for Kathy Linton marriage. Okay, Kathy, the daughter of Edgar and Catherine, gets married to Linton, the son of Heathcliff and Isabella. Okay, Edgar dies after seeing them happily married. Edgar thinks Heathcliff has given up all ideas of revenge and that's why he has given permission for marriage. He thinks everything is all right and he marries after seeing Kathy and Linton happily married. Okay. Now this guy Linton, who is Kathy's husband, that is, he is the son of Heathcliff. Okay, he is also very weak and Kathy nurses him until his death. He is also dead. Okay, Kathy later falls in love with Hareton. Hareton was denied education and all by Heathcliff because he was taking revenge against Hindley for doing the same with him. So Kathy irritates him or ridicules him for his ignorance and all. But later they fall in love, Kathy and Hareton. Now Kathy is the daughter of Edgar and Isabella and Hareton is the son of Kathy's brother Hindley. Okay. Heathcliff is reminded of himself and Catherine when he sees Kathy and Hareton and so gives up revenge. Heathcliff dies and he is buried next to Catherine. Okay, so that is the end of the novel. So hope I could make things clear. Hope you had a fairer idea now about this particular novel. So happy reading. Thank you.